Hello, guys, welcome to Divine Readings 8, and I am your divine messenger JJ. And today we'll be checking what messages does the universe wants to send to you, what things are coming up your way, and what guidance does the angels want to serve you. Let's see what guidance do we have for you for the full moon in August. Guys, this is a timeless reading. If you come across this video later on, it still has a message for you. Okay, so as we know that full moon comes every month, so every month it can come and this reading can be possible for you, maybe in the some other time. Okay, we've got some cards. Take time to breathe out. Let's see the other cards. Meditate and contemplate. Okay, I think this person needs some peace of mind. A personal issue reaches solution. Okay, I think this is about your love life. Somebody has a lot of issues and a lot of troubles in life. I think this is related to your relationship. This whole message, this whole video is for those who are facing some anxiety issues. This is for those who need some peace in their life. This is for all those people who have been struggling with a kind of depression or any kind of mental issue. Or if this is also a sign that this person has been going through a very tough time, especially with family or relationships. So I think you are getting your answers now. The first card that I'm getting is that take time to breathe out, and the second card that I'm getting is meditate and contemplate. So these two cards want to tell you one thing, that and as it is, we all know that the moon energies affect us a lot. Okay, sometimes we feel very tired, sometimes we feel very energetic. So I think the full moon wants you to take a little break. Okay, take some time for yourself and breathe. There are times when you just need to sit properly without doing anything specific. Okay, just take out that time for yourself, spend time with yourself, have a nice chill bubble bath, and just enjoy. So that's what the universe wants you to do. Take time for yourself, listen to music, do something that's really good for you, do something that you really love doing. Okay, so take time to breathe out. Then we have meditate and contemplate. It's you who needs to meditate in your life. If you are new to meditate, because a lot of people come to me and say that I have a problem with meditating, even I had initially. So if you have that issue, it's okay, you can just sit in a quiet place and just breathe and just concentrate on your breath. So just do it for 5 minutes, or listen to your favorite music, listen to instrumental music. Just listen to whatever you love, whatever kind of music, whatever genre you like listening to, and just breathe without any thoughts in your mind, and then think about your life, then think about things that are stressing you out. Now I can see that the answers that you need are coming. So I think you were waiting for a closure, or you were waiting for something, and uska answer you'll be getting now. That answer is coming your way soon, don't worry. Then this person needs to balance spirituality and practicality. This person is somebody who needs to be practical in your life. You need to balance, you need to have balance in life. So don't fall into one thing too much, don't get into one thing too much. You need to have balance in life. You cannot just depend on one thing, right? And the last one is a personal issue reaches solution resolution, sorry. So a personal issue in your life that will be resolved soon. As we are getting answers here, that what you need to do firstly, because I think this person is overthinking a lot, and that is why, because you are overthinking a lot, even if there is no problem, no such problem, it's you who are creating that issue, right? So meditate a bit and take time to breathe out. You will get your answers soon, and this whole issue is going to get resolved. So there's no problem, there's no issue that's going to happen. Just Stay calm and let the time heal everything, and please create a balance in your life. There needs to be balance in spirituality and practicality. Everything you do, everything you think, it's okay, it's good to be spiritual, it's good to be practical. But if you are somebody who's extremely practical, no, you need to be god fearing. You should be, I think this person needs to be a little spiritual in life. So be little spiritual, pray to anybody you believe in. If you believe in the universe, if you believe in divine, if you believe in any lord, any god that you believe in, if you believe in angels, just pray. Be little bit spiritual, and then see how your life changes. It's just that your universe, the angels are telling you that take time for yourself, meditate a bit, and whatever answers you're looking for, you're getting the answers soon. Alright guys, if you like this video, you can share this and let me know in the comment section. Also, if you're new to my channel, please hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel. I shall see you in the next video. Till then, take care and see you. Bye bye.